with us our chemistry lecturer, Mr. Baba sir. We have with us our physics lecturer, Mr. Muzaffar sir. Please give them a big hand. We have here principal of our institute, Mr. Niyaz Ahmed, who is also the lecturer of body subject. We have with us our chemistry lecturer, Mr. Baba sir. We have with us our physics lecturer, Mr. Muzaffar sir. Please give them a big hand. We have here principal of our institute, Mr. Niyaz Ahmed, who is also the lecturer of body subject. With us Mr. Rohan sir, who is the lecturer of political science. History. Then Oyub sir, we have with us Oyub sir, who is the lecturer of physical education. We have Maruf Akhtar, who is PEM, and Amin sir, Abdul Rashid sir, Mushtaq sir, senior master, and other staff members. Please give them a big hand. Last but not the least, Mr. Khurshid sir, who is the Urdu lecturer of our institute. Please give him a big hand. First of all, as you know that we have witnessed a terrific performance from both boys and girls. First of all, we held a tug of war between different groups and we reached the finalist of tug of war, Ahsan Azad group. Please give them a big hand. Ahsan, as I request Ahsan Azad and others to come on the stage, please, and receive award from our worthy principal, Mohammed Ramzan sir. Bas sir. Here comes Ahsan Azad. Give them a big hand, please. जोरदार जोरदार और जोर से। यहाँ पर मेरे साथ आज एहसान आजाद खड़े हैं, जो कि आज यहाँ पर उन्होंने साबित कर दिया है कि मैं इस हायर सेकेंडरी का सबसे मजबूत और ताकतवर नौजवान हूँ। उनसे मैं कुछ सवाल यहाँ पर पूछना चाहता हूँ। एहसान आजाद, आपने यहाँ पर काफी जबरदस्त तरीके से परफॉर्मेंस दिया और एक ऐसी टीम को यहाँ पे हराया है जो पिछले एक साल से जीती आई है, जिसका नाम फैजल एंड अदर्स, फैजल निसार एंड अदर्स, तो आपने उनको भी हराया है। फाइनल में आपने 2 बार मुकाबला जीता है। आपको क्या लग रहा है, कहाँ से आपने ये सीखा?
मैंने ये सीखा अपनी टीम से। मेरी टीम वालों ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से परफॉर्म किया वहाँ पे, जैसे कि व्यास है, यहाँ से सुहैब है, बाकी सब खिलाड़ी हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से परफॉर्म किया वहाँ पे।
वेरी गुड। अच्छा, आप मुझे बताइए खाने में आप क्या खाते?
दाल और चावल।
दाल और चावल, बहुत ही जबरदस्त। चलो आप जा सकते हैं अपनी पोजीशन पे। नाउ tug of war, we have witnessed another terrific performance from girls as well, and at the end of the day we have found Sohani group, Sohani and others who were winners well ahead. I request them, please come on the stage. Give them a big hand, please. Sohani group, Sohani, 1 minute. बहुत खूब आपने खेला है यहाँ पर, आपकी टीम ने पूरे। क्या लग रहा है आपको, आप आइंदा किस किस्म की तैयारी आप करना चाहेंगे?
सर इससे की टग ऑफ वार की। यस सर।
क्या आपने अपने ये जो आपके खिलाड़ी हैं आपकी टीम में, आपने उनको कुछ मशवरा दिया है खाने में कुछ?
नो सर।
चलो शुक्रिया शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। That was tug of war. Now Amin sir has introduced few unique games today, and many of us, I think, have witnessed them first time. First of all, the second group of games that include cone game. Cone game. यानी यमन इस तो cone game उस वही हम सिम cone इस पासा सुन त्रोइस पाते इस भी खाड़. Cone game in that Himasa Imran from girls side secured the first position. I request her please come on the stage and receive a medal from Dr. Abdur Rauf. Dr. Abdur Rauf, give her a big hand please. All ladies and gentlemen please. From boys group, Rashid Mushtaq was well ahead. He is the winner, got first position in that very game. Oyub sir, please. Thank you very much. In that game also, though we will not distribute award to them, 3 teachers participated in that very game in which Nasir sir, Oyub sir and Mushtaq sir participated, and I myself got the first position. Oyub sir got second position. Now, shot put. In the shot put, it requires a lot of energy and muscle power as well to throw the ball long enough, and for that it was once again muscular boy of this institute. Please welcome Ahsan Azad. Ahsan Azad. I request Merufa Akhtar please. Ahsan Azad, एक क्वेश्चन एक मैं आपसे इस बार जरूर पूछना चाहता हूँ. आपके चेहरे पे जो मुस्कुराहट है ये बता रही है कि आप कुछ खाने में जरूर ऐसी गुज़ा खा रहे हैं जो हमारे यहाँ पर स्टाफ मेंबर्स है वो भी अपने खाने में वो चीज़ जरूर लाना चाहते हैं. आप प्लीज दाल और चावल से ये उसकी बस की बात नहीं. आप बताइए प्लीज. चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Girls also performed very well in the shot put, but it was a unique girl from the village Chandran Pajan, Tabassum. Please welcome Tabassum. She also threw shot put very long side. I request Rishi sir, please give her the award she deserves. Clap, please. Now we reach to the fourth event today. That is ball rolling pass on. Ball rolling pass on, in which both boys and girls participated. And in the long run, at the end of the day, we have found Mahavish group among girls the true winners of ball rolling pass on. So I request them to please come on the stage. Mavish and others, ball rolling competition first position. Captain will receive the award today and the other players will receive their awards tomorrow on Mabin Assembly. Now, come on the stage and give the award to the captain. Ladies, give them a big hand, please. Now, in the ball rolling pass on, boys played brilliantly. They played well. They fought truly well. And lastly, it was Rashid Group who defeated Sujad Nazir and others by 1 point only. So please give Rashid and others a big hand.
भी एक साकनिश सदीमन दबम
Much deserved award.
वीडियो अगर जो सर स्क्रीनशॉट
Now, another unique event. First time in this institute, and I too have witnessed first time in my life. That is banana eating. In banana eating, we have found another muscular boy of this institute, a very unique personality. That is none other than Tahir. Please give him a big hand for securing first position in banana eating. Now I request Mustaq sir, please give him the much deserved award, please. Claps, please. The second position goes to Adnan Ahmed Pala, who participated in various games and almost. Now I request the physics lecturer, Mr. Muzaffar Ahmed from Shupian, please. Thank you very much. Now we reach to the sixth event of today's National Supporters Day, that is glass carrying with balloons, in which Shakir Ghulam got the first position among boys. Along with Suzaid Nazir, both got first positions in two different events. Abdulrashid sir from Adru, now in Arigam, please give them their awards. Suzaid Nazir also. Now the seventh event, that is water bottle carrying. In water bottle carrying, we have found Raif Sartaj well ahead. Please welcome Raif Sartaj, who got first position in water bottle carrying with the help of a rope and a nail. I request Mansoor sir, please give Raif Sartaj his award. Thank you sir very much. Now the second position goes to Deher, who got second position. Sartaj sir, please. Sartaj sir is now giving award to Deher, one of the intelligent guy of our institute. In water bottle carrying capacity, teachers also participated, though they will not receive awards, but they will receive appreciation. Sartaj sir from Gangar got first position, and myself got the second position in the very event, water bottle carrying capacity. Please give both of us a big hand. Third position is not mentioned here, sorry. Please give them a big hand, please. Now another event, glass carrying via rolling, via self-rolling, in which none other than Deher got the first position in that very event. He will receive a lot of awards today. Please come on the stage. You have to take it. Oyub sir, please give him the deserved award. Now another award, another event, that is in and out, in which I request first of all Said sir, please come on the stage. In and out competition among girls. Sohani Javed got the first position. That means she showed better presence of mind. For that, she will receive the first position in and out. Mr. Mohammed Said will give her award from boys. Fazur Rasool. Fazur Rasool got first position. I request Khurshid sir from Kalam. Please come on the stage, Khurshid sir. Give please. Khurshid sir will give Fazur Rasool his award. Now, another last but not the least award, that is front roll and back roll. In both front roll and back roll, Adnan Ahmed Pala clean sweeped both programs, both events. I request him to come on the stage and receive his award from Khurshid sir, lecturer in Urdu. Give him a big hand twice. Once again. Thank you. Now, another unique award. Back again in the talk of our principal sir, challenged today our physical education lecturer Ayub sir, but it was our principal sir who defeated Mr. Ayub sir. Please give principal sir a big hand. And I request Amin sir and Mushtaq sir, please. Both. Two awards to our worthy principal sir. Give them a big hand, please. Now I request our worthy principal sir. Once again, I request our worthy principal sir, please, for holding this total program single-handedly. Mr. Mohammed Amin sir, please. Mr. Mohammed Amin sir will receive his award from our principal, Mr. Mohammed Ramzan Bhatt sir. Shabash. Now, another award goes to Meher Haji. Though silently, she backed our program with enthusiasm, zeal and zest. And that is all our today's presentation. Thank you very much once again. हाँ बेटा, जिन्होंने ये मेडल पकड़ा है वो खड़े हो जाओ।